Load your family into the 2018 Lincoln MKC. Under the hood, you'll find a 4-cylinder engine with more than 200 horsepower, providing a smooth and predictable driving experience. Turbocharger technology provides forced air induction, enhancing performance while preserving fuel economy. All of the premium features expected of a Lincoln are offered, including front and rear reading lights, one-touch window functionality, an automatic dimming rear-view mirror, an outside temperature display, fully automatic headlights, heated door mirrors, and power front seats. Premium sound drives 10 speakers, providing you and your passengers a sensational audio experience. Lincoln also prioritized safety and security by including dual front impact airbags, head curtain airbags, traction control, brake assist, ignition disabling, an emergency communication system, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. For added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.